Good morning. Good morning again. It's Thursday, November 15th. We're in the middle of the month, about 2.5 weeks for election time. So we started early this morning. The S&P 500 is down 37 points, 37.75. We expect some more downturn in the next couple of weeks. The spider for the SPY, if you're going to trade, is already minus 413. So might be a little bit too late to get in, but we'll see how it goes this morning. Even in Europe, the market been down, and the down futures is minus 282. So it seems like there's some blood running on the street for this morning. We'll see how long it goes. And with that, we're going to move into some charts we got over here for you this morning. Let me see. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. There's a saying on this market that all bear markets come to die on October. So we'll see how good that saying going to go. But all bear markets come to die on the month of October. So we'll see from here we start going up again after the month of October. But with the virus and the Department of Justice investigating and breaking monopolies and not telling how much blood we're going to get on the streets. So with that, let's see how this is going to look for today. I only choose 4 companies. Apple is one of the companies that is target for the Department of Justice. And this giving us some struggling. There's a little gap in here now from 112, 117 to 120. Our gap that we keep on talking about is at 95. It had not been covered yet. However, eventually it will get filled. And I expect that if the Justice Department start hitting Apple very hard, then these things start coming down. So we're about 2 weeks ago away from that. So we'll see how that happened. Well, meanwhile, indicating lower price today. I think it's about $3 more on downside. Advanced Micro Device is still remaining flat, and seeing like this assimilating the deal about buying the other company or merging together. So we'll see how that go. On the other side, I have mentioned yesterday, DraftKings have an issue. We can buy puts on this. We can buy put in the S&P 500 also, but DraftKings having a problem of selling 30 million shares, to raise capital. Even so, this is a $19 billion company. They're struggling, and they're struggling for the fact that a lot of the football games that were coming up, some of them have been canceled due to the virus and so on. And of course, this is their main revenue from gaming. So if people are not making bet because the game have been canceled, so this is what we get. So I expect to continue going down, and we might see the mid 35, a little bit over, probably about 37, 38 by the time everything is over. If we don't get no support in there, then we can go much further down. But at this time, I think that between 40 to 38 probably be our bottom. Hopefully don't get that far, but it happened where it just happened. But this is the way I look at this time. Volume continues to be kind of low, nothing exciting about it. It's trending along with the S&P 500. It's trending along with the Russell 2000. So we're heading down some more. On the other side, we got Facebook, and they just about can't get nowhere either for the simple reason that they are in the hit list from the Justice Department also. So that's the way things go. GameStop, seems like it's making some headway, but that's not going to hold too much. And the reason is that this big jump over here about 5 days ago had to be assimilated, and they got very little volume, and the S&P also pointing downward with them, and the trend lines and the indicators are also have a slight trading heading down to below 25. So that's not a good company to be in unless we're going to be a put. Now here we go to Virgin Galactic. The government and NASA, they're proposing now to move and be within 4 years in the moon, and they are setting rules. So I guess this is the people that are going to get the contract to start setting foot up back in the moon after so many years in 1967 or 68 when the first landing of the moon. So there's talks about that, and apparently they got the money to be pumping this stuff over to the moon. But at the same time, we had to realize that there's a virus goes on, and the last thing you want to do is send sick astronaut to the moon and keep on polluting the rest of the universe. So with that, we'll see how this behaves, but it looks promising. And when the contractor going far away, a couple of years away, and so on, and within a year, the first shot goes to the moon, and they make it back, that they're going to be up to the race again. So here we got the spider is the last one, S&P 500. We're planning to buy today some puts on the SPY, and we'll see how it goes. We're expecting right now that with a 37 point, that's about $3.50, $3.50 or $4. That will move, but the move already have been pre-market, so had to see how it's going to settle the day. It's a go lower. So if we buy an option today, it probably at the close of the day today for Friday. And then at that time, we'll be able to catch any drops. So we'll see how it behaves today, the market. But right now, even in Europe, it's a downhill, and we'll see how the next 6 hours. We're making the morning briefing early this morning. It's almost 7 o'clock. We cannot wait to the market to open. I have other commitment that I had to attend, so I'll be with Congressman Cuellar doing some opening for a new clinic, and they got a groundbreaking ceremony today, and later we'll be with the Lions Club to help the blind people. So with that, today I won't have much time to do any trading. So I want to thank you, all of you, for listening and looking at this video this morning, and be prepared for trading. And this is going to cover Thursday and Friday, so it won't be no market briefing on Friday. So we're expecting that everything going to be downhill for the weekend. So take it easy, enjoy good trading, and be careful. Don't risk too much money. We are in shaky ground right now. Have a good day. Enjoy the briefing. Bye-bye.